Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'm here to share this marvelous little project with you all. It's super cute. Let's talk paper very quickly. I used the pink Paislee Pick Me Up collection. I used the ephemera, the 12 by 12 sheets, and the rub-ons. And I used just a few little things from all of the things I just mentioned. So you'll be able to make a bunch more of these, some 12 by 12 layouts, and who knows what else you can make. You can also use your 6 by 6 pads for this little gem. You can find this little gem. I am actually calling this my photo flash box. All right. I feel like it's flashing you and you'll see what I mean. And that's just the way my brain works. So forgive me, people. Um, so it's the photo flash box, and I will show you what this is all about. All right. So you can find this little gem. It's one of the bonus projects in my EKC20 Kit Club. All right. So there's a digital version where you just get all of the tutorials and videos. You don't get any supplies. So that's available to you all right now in my shop. All right. So you open the lid. Oh, and of course, my Maker Basics cardstock is the base for this entire project, and it's substantial. So you open the lid, you pull the pull, right? And voila! Look what you get. So this is a play on the Jacob's ladder technique. If you don't know what that's about, just you can Google it and you'll see what it's about. And those of you who are in my Kit Club or pick this up, I show you how to do it in there. Well, my version of it, and I put a little spin on it to make this really super cute box. All right, guys, but it's based on that technique, so let's call it what it is, right? So you get a variation of pockets here. They're not true pockets, they're dividers, the way that this is constructed. And you get to put 6 photo mats in here. I only did 3. And then a couple of the pullouts from a couple of the pieces from the paper collection. All right, but I'll show you these super cute little photo mats here. All right, and these are from the ephemera pack. What nice pieces you get in the ephemera pack. It's really nice. Usually in ephemera packs you get really teeny tiny things, which I find highly annoying. But these are really nice, a really nice size. So you get this soup. I did 3 photo mats. These are single photo mats, and this is a double photo mat here. Look at how cute this is. It's just adorable. So you can fit a variety of photos on here, guys, and whatever you want. You can do a single photo, or you can create mini layouts on your photo mats. And I absolutely love to create mini layouts on my photo mats and just have fun with it. All right, so this project is so easy to make. If you need a quickie, guys, this is it. All right, another really cool take on a brag book or a brag box in this case. We were talking about brag books in my previous class, and of course this occurs to me, and I hope you all love it. All right, so the whole point of the flash thing is I feel like this is like a flash. So that's where the name came from, and don't laugh at me, people. All right, so everything just fits in here, super cute, nice and tidy. All right, just nice, and I did one in every other pocket, of course. And I put this one here, and I don't know. I don't want to stuff each section too much, so I got to be careful and not make believe like I don't care where I'm putting these things at. I feel like I'm missing one. Oh, right here, duh. So, and this goes in there, and of course, you guys know I always stuff everything to the gills. But still, it still fits in there. It's nice and tight. I can't add now one more thing, but you can make this as thick or as thin as you want to. I just chose to go with this 1/2-inch profile here, which I love. You can leave this on the outside, or you can tuck it away on the inside. This is completely customizable. You can make this lid longer if you want to. I don't recommend shorter, but it's just so cute. It's really, really cute. And you know I'm going to be breaking out a bunch of these in all sorts of different sizes because they're so easy to make and they're fun to make. All right, this is one of those instant gratification projects. So EKC20 Kit Club members, those of you who got the whole shebang where you get all of the materials and stuff to your home, Here is a bonus project. For the bonus projects, you have to provide your own materials, just in case anybody's wondering. So I hope you love it. Let me know what you think. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.